In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start over with Squarespace in Squarespace 7.1. Whether you're refreshing an existing website or creating something entirely new, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your browser and head over to the Squarespace website. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to click on Login. Once you've done that, for added convenience and speed, select Continue with Google. It's a user-friendly option, especially if you've integrated your Google account for quick access. After you're logged in, you'll see a list of your sites. For this tutorial, find and click on the one you want to start over with. You'll now be in the settings page for your website. Look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. That's where you'll find your profile photo. Clicking on this will lead you to another menu. Next up, you'll want to find the Create Website button. It's your gateway to starting a new journey with your site. Click it and you'll be directed to Squarespace's template section. This is where the fun begins. On this page, navigate down to Browse Templates. Feel free to explore the options. Squarespace offers a wide variety of templates designed to make your website stand out. Now, with the templates in front of you, this is your opportunity to express your creativity. Choose a website template that aligns best with your vision. Remember, the template acts as the foundation for your site, so give it some thought. Whether you want a minimalistic style or something more robust and dynamic, there's a design for everyone. Once you've chosen your desired template, click on Start with this design. This will set up your new site using the selected template. From here, you can begin customizing it with your own content, style preferences, and personal touches. And that's it. You're well on your way to building a refreshed website from scratch with Squarespace 7.1. Remember, the key to a great website is one that not only looks fabulous but also functions seamlessly. Good luck with your website creation and enjoy the process. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials and tips.